I love driving around in blizzards. Especially in super capable antique trucks. Second gear high, about 8 miles an hour. Four-wheel drive. 12 degrees. 35 mile an hour winds. Gusts up to 60. Joyriding. Nobody else is stupid enough to come with me, so I have to do this kind of stuff by myself. But it's fun to see like how steep of a hill you can go up before you just break free and you don't get traction anymore. Stuff like that. I'm going to put it in first gear high just for demonstration purposes. About 3 or 4 miles an hour. There's a lot of metal rotating under there. There's second. It shifts like a dream. I'm really glad I put that 30 weight full synthetic in the tranny and transfer case. It makes it shift really nice when it's cold, and it runs cooler in the summer. So that was a good call. All the highways and stuff are closed right now, emergency closures. And it's not hard to see why. It's just howling outside. It's about 80 degrees in here. I am way overdressed. Even with the windows cracked. That 40,000 BTU heater will chase you out of this thing. And I'll just keep filming while I park this. I can drive it one-handed thanks to the power steering that we got. I'm going to put it in first gear so that I can safely get up my driveway without ramming anything. Sounds like I imagine a tank would sound. There's so much steel rotating and so many teeth meshing. This thing is a joy to drive. The Slug was really fun too, but this is even bigger. So it's like more dramatic. And here we are.